guys, it's Vanna. I'm back with a video. I'm back with a nail design today. This is gonna start my Easter nail set. This is gonna start my Easter nail series that I'm gonna do, and I'm gonna start with the Last Supper and the Agony in the Garden. But before we go on to that nail tutorial, please subscribe and don't forget, I always get my tongue tied. Don't forget to give this video a like if you liked it. Now, but I'm gonna say just a little quick thing before we go on to the nail tutorial. I want to do shout outs. I was kind of thinking this would be fun if I did shout outs on my channel, and how I want to do it is in my videos, at some point in the video I'll say like comment down like a monkey emoji. Whoever comments that monkey, I will pick through them, and I'll just pick one to give a shout out in the next video. And also, when I give the shout out in the video, I will say something that I'll visit their channel, and I'll say something that I enjoyed about this channel and why you should go and see it. So, anyways, with all that said and done, I think we can now go on to the nail tutorial. Let's go! Okay, I'm going to start by painting all my nails this awesome gold glitter polish, and I'm just going to do a thin coat. The only ones I'm not going to paint glittery is my thumb and my middle finger. And if you're wondering why my hand is a little like red and got some cuts on it, I hit my hand before I started filming on my camera stand, and it's a long story. Going back to the nails, I will be putting some of this same gold nail polish on a makeup sponge, because I'm going to sponge it on the very tip of my nail just to kind of make a little bit of a gradient effect. And it's all done. It's just an easy glitter gradient. The next design is the chalice and the host to symbolize the institution of the Eucharist at the Last Supper. Now I'm just taking a color pencil, and I'm picking up a gold piece and placing it on my nail with some top coat. Oh, and if you're using acrylic paint and you screw up, you can always use a cotton swab and some water just to wipe it off before it dries. Now, starting on the chalice, I'm going to take some metallic gold acrylic paint and a toothpick, and I'm just going to go ahead and paint the chalice. Now that is done, I'm going to take some kind of tan bread color, and I'm going to paint the inside of the golden circle. The chalice means the wine, and the bread is the host from the Last Supper. Now I'm going to go ahead and top coat all the nails I just did. I'm going to go ahead and move on to my thumb, and I'm going to take some of this awesome star glue that I bought, and I'm going to paint it all over my thumb. Since my thumb is going to represent the praying in the garden, I wanted to get praying hands, so I had my sister write me on a piece of paper what praying hands would look like, and then she just wrote me a little tiny version, and I painted it with acrylic paint, and I'm gonna cut it out, and I'm gonna stick it right to the star glue on my thumb. And now I'm gonna pick it up with a pair of tweezers, and I'm just gonna firmly place it and press on my nail. Now I'm going to put some quick dye top coat on it, and I didn't know what the paper would act like after I put the top coat on it, but it looks really good, and the paper took to the top coat really good too. And now that they're all done, this is what the praying hands look like, and this is for the Agony in the Garden right after the Last Supper, which are these nails right here, and this is the chalice and the bread, and they're all done. I think they turned out really well, and I just love the gold. Hope you guys enjoyed that nail design. Remember, please give it a like if you liked it. Subscribe down below for more of this face. Since I said monkey emoji a million times, I guess we'll make it a monkey emoji this time. Please comment that down below, and then I will pick from it, and hopefully I can pick you, and in my next video I'll give you a shout out and say something that I like about your channel. Yes, so I think this is gonna be fun. I hope you think it's gonna be fun. I don't know, but anyways, so goodbye. I'll see you next time. Bye. Why do I always do something weird with the camera? I'm just gonna normally say goodbye. Goodbye.